In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a resume template on Canva. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you don't, you can create a free account in just a couple of minutes. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Canva homepage, which is where all your designs and templates live. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that and type in resume. Canva will show you a large collection of resume templates with different styles, colors, and layouts. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that fits the tone of the job you're applying for. For example, something clean and simple is usually best for most professional roles. When you find a template you like, click on it. A preview will appear, and then you can select the option to customize this template. Canva will open the template in the editor, where you can make all your changes. Now, click on the name at the top of the resume and type in your own full name. Then, go through the contact details. Update the email, phone number, and address to your own information. Make sure everything is accurate and professional, because this is the first thing employers will see. Next, move down to the content sections. You might see areas like profile, experience, education, and skills. Click once on any block of text to edit it. Replace the placeholder text with your real information. When you write your experience, keep it clear and concise. Use short sentences that highlight your responsibilities, and most importantly, your achievements. If the template has sections you don't need, you can remove them by clicking on the element and pressing delete. If you need an extra section, like certifications or projects, you can duplicate an existing text box, drag it into place, and change the heading. Now, look at the visual style. You can change colors by selecting an element and using the color picker at the top. Try to stick to 2 or 3 colors so your resume looks clean. You can also change fonts, but keep them easy to read and consistent throughout the document. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click on the download button. Choose PDF for the best quality, then download it to your computer. Your edited Canva resume is now ready to send to employers.